That is the sound of acoustics with Rodney P. and Bijou, the guest performers at the opening exhibit, I Walked on Water to My Homeland, by artist Delita Martin, featured in the Mosaic Templars Cultural Center in Little Rock, Arkansas. For 26 years since its opening in 1913, the National Grand Temple of the Mosaic Templars assisted the needs of African Americans in Little Rock. In the late 19th and 20th centuries, African Americans controlled the West 9th Street business district, serving the community with barbershops, hotels, restaurants, funeral services, and jewelry stores. The first floor of the three-story complex housed retail businesses like the pharmacy owned by Dr. W.O. Foster. The second floor office space was provided for professionals, and the third floor housed a large auditorium for special community events. The center holds a variety of exhibits depicting the stories of nearly 700,000 African Americans who migrated to Arkansas between 1870 and 1930. Although racial discrimination and a corrupt political system curtailed the promise of freedom to blacks, African Americans in Arkansas stayed active in civil rights, education, church organizations, recreational activities, and politics, and have made an unforgettable impact on the state. The Arkansas Black Hall of Fame, located on the top floor of the museum, has an exhibit dedicated to the African Americans that have made great achievements. Here, visitors can learn about the success and talents of the now 85 Hall of Fame inductees. Tonight, the museum is hosting its first art exhibit by a woman. Ms. Delita Martin, a native of Texas, says she has been drawing since the age of 5. Inspired by the many women in her life, Martin's exhibit portrays the extraordinary stories of these women through the images she creates in her drawings, using oral tradition, vintage and family photographs as inspiration to explore the power of a narrative impulse. Martin uses vibrant colors and a variety of patterns and media to bring her works to life. Through her art, Martin records her personal history as well as her cultural history, using what she refers to as basic snapshots of stories that have been passed on and from things she remembers growing up. As an example, she uses quilts in her paintings because her grandmother used to make quilts. While she was in charge of folding the triangles that her grandmother used to sew on the backing of her Rocky Mountain quilt, Martin says she grew up playing with those quilts. Interacting with her grandmother and her storytelling are the things she wanted to bring into her artwork, sharing the stories her grandmother told her. Martin says her work is not inspired by her grandmother's quilts and stories alone, but also by the women she grew up in the community with, her siblings, and everything that happened to her as a child. The exhibit, I Walked on Water to My Homeland, will be featured at the Mosaic Templar Cultural Center until March 26. I'm Charlotte Flowers Weston, reporting for CNews Buzz.